What's going on, automotive fans? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best OBD2 scanners in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these OBD2 scanners, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video, and leave your answer in the comment section for us. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. Also, if you have any questions whatsoever about any of these products, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video and we'll respond as soon as we possibly can. And with that said, enjoy the slideshow. Coming in at number 5, we've got the fixed OBD2 Active Car Health Monitor and Professional Scan Tool. Coming in at number 4, we've got the Foxwell NT201 OBD2 scanner. Next up at number 3, we've got the Autel AL319 OBD2 CAN code reader. And coming in at number 2, we've got the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scan tool. Last but not least, at number 1, we've got the BAFX Products Bluetooth Card Diagnostic OBD2 reader. Alright, automotive fans, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which OBD2 scanner you ended up liking the best. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in.